Right, this has now had a week, exactly a week, but it's still got some way to go. So it's not just like a week-long thing like with normal sugar. So what I'm doing with this is I take up my little heater, put the lid on, give it a quick shake, then quickly take the lid off. If it bulges up like this, it means it's still going. So that is still, I can hear it like snap, crackle and pop a little bit. So that's still got some way to go. Yeah, it smells quite nice. I think it was actually clearing, but I've given it a shake because I want to make sure I get as much of the goodness out of it as I can. And back into her nest. Inside plastic bags, inside a broom bucket, inside a cardboard bucket with a bag of crap chucked on top.